Hey everyone, and welcome back to Option Alpha in this video tutorial for the piercing line candlestick pattern. So as always, let's get right into it here. And the piercing line candlestick pattern is a pretty easy pattern to recognize, and actually it's quite frequent on a lot of charts. It's only a 2 candlestick pattern, so you're going to see it quite often, and sometimes you can get confused because they'll look like other patterns or other patterns will start to form, and you won't actually know it's a piercing line until the end of the day. But this pattern is a reversal pattern, so the one that we have shown here to the right that I'm highlighting with my cursor is actually a bullish reversal pattern. So as you can see, the market's heading down, and then we start to see the piercing line pattern occur on the chart, signaling a bullish trend may start. The reliability of this pattern is pretty moderate. It's actually not too low because of some of the things that we'll go over in this video, but it's not high either. It doesn't have a high reliability. This pattern tends to actually fail quite often. So I wouldn't use it. Again, as you're trading, I wouldn't bet the house and bet the family farm on this type of pattern, but you are going to see it quite often, and if it does have the right setup, it actually turns out to be a pretty good pattern, and you can make a small wager on the reversal. So how to spot this? Well, first of all, again, like we said, it's in a downtrend. You get this first long black day like we see on a lot of chart patterns. So this long red day, this long day that the market is moving lower. And then you see that the next day the market is going to open and gap lower. So you're going to think that the market's going to continue in that downtrend. So we have this gapping open lower with the market. As soon as the gap happens, that day actually finishes much higher than the open and actually pierces into the midpoint of the long black candlestick pattern. So again, that's why it gets its name, the piercing line, because it pierces the midpoint of this long black candlestick that we had the day before, and I've drawn that here on this chart with the red. So as soon as we get that close above the midpoint of the black day's real body, then we do have a really successful piercing line pattern, and again, you can make your trade right there at the end of the day or the next morning as the market starts to continue its route. Hey, thanks for watching this video from Option Alpha. As always, we invite you guys to come back and check us out at optionalpha.com. And if you like this video, please share the video with any of your friends, family, or colleagues on your favorite social network.